Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system, shown for use with the Speedy Bar hinge adapter in the passenger front of a Subaru Crosstrek. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a multi-purpose lift designed around the unique concept that one lift does all of your lifting and transferring. So the same multi-lift you'll use to lift you into the passenger front of your vehicle could also be used in the rear of certain vehicles to lift a wheelchair into and out of the vehicle. It could also be used, the same multi-lift, in your home to lift you in and out of your bathtub, onto and off of the toilet, into and out of bed, even use it with a portable base called the Easy Base, which will allow you to travel and do a transfer virtually anywhere. But it doesn't stop there. You could also use your multi-lift in an RV. You could use it in a motorhome. You can use it in a travel trailer, even to get in and out of a swimming pool, hot tub, ATV, you name it. If you need to transfer in and out, try it with a multi-lift. We probably have a solution. So the first step in the process is to take your Speedy Bar hinge adapter, which is made specifically for your vehicle. The multi-lift is universal. The Speedy Bar is specific to that car, and we make Speedy Bars for nearly 500 vehicles to date. Connect it to the hinge on top of the vehicle. Hinge, no modification, no hole drilling. The multi-lift itself is cordless. So we got a battery here, and that will power you for many, many cycles. Can be charged up in the car or in the vehicle. So the sling requires there's no lifting to get a person into the sling. The sling goes around the user, but not underneath the user. So our first step here is going to be to lift the person up and off the wheelchair. Once they're up and off the wheelchair, we're going to move the wheelchair away, turn the user to face into the vehicle, and transfer into the interior. We're going to lift high enough for the feet to go into the car, all the way